couple bricks right there. All right. So I tore a queen out of here, because there was no eggs. Again, this was a queen I had rescued from the grass. Oh, hi, I'm behind this branch. And my fingers are covered with propolis already. I just don't feel like getting lit up. Especially since I bought a new bee suit. The other suit was falling apart and too small. Guy pointed out, hey, a little large is better because extra large is better for me because the large was too short back here and I was being exposed. My plumbing was being exposed, if you get what I mean. The plumber's crack. Nobody wants to get that stung. Trust me. Alright, so we're going to see what's going on in here. There shouldn't be anything. But a bunch of angry bees because they don't have a queen. Alright, let's see what I got going on in here. Bees on frames. Alright. This side looks least populated, so we'll grab this one. If I can pull 2 empty frames out of here, I'll just slip them in. Otherwise, I'll do a combine from the top. This is an old resource frame. Nothing happening. Make sure there's no eggs on it. So this is one of those old pollen frames. Oh, there's some fresh pollen in there. But it didn't look very full of anything. Same with this. This seems really light. Some freshy looking nectar. Alright, I think these 2 frames right here. Compared to the rest of the hive. It's tearing out some queen cups. There's no larvae. It's this little 8 frame. Oh, I have queen cups, emergency cells. So I destroyed that queen a little too soon. She had started to do her thing. So now there's all kinds of emergency cells on here because I took her out. I feel bad. This sucks. So she must have been in shock and then doing okay. So now I have a dilemma. Do I let them make a new queen? Or do I destroy those and drop my queen in here? Doing the math on that, how late it is. They got some pretty good they got nectar going. I'm leaning towards tear it out. Drop these other cells in here. Let me look at them. It's late in the year. It's not like, and I haven't gotten no one biting on advertised bees, so I really don't need to start new stuff. Alright, if I took these cells and I'm just gonna reach in there, tear it out. They're not gonna like me doing that. Oh, there's already a new one emerged. Maybe. No, I don't think so. Alright, radical beekeeping. Just tore all those out. And I'm just gonna do a hardcore merge, I think. Yeah, it'll be great. It'll be great. Now, here's the question. This frame is a big, giant super seeder cell. And I done boogered it up. So since it is smashed, go ahead and pull it off of here. Like so. Make sure we're not hiding another one. Just gonna do a like that. Shall I shove those two brood frames in there? Well, with that queen cell in a cage, I'm gonna put my screen back up. And yeah. We got two frames for the freezer here. Now we'll move on to some more inspections here in a minute. All right.